Hey there! Today we're taking you on a journey through some truly unique architectural designs that push the boundaries of traditional home building. These are projects created by our designer, where every detail reflects a creative vision and artistic concept. At first glance, some of these homes might seem a bit impractical or even too bold for everyday living, but that's exactly what makes them special. They showcase how limitless human imagination can be when applied to architecture. These aren't just houses, they're works of art, each telling its own story. In today's world, architecture isn't just about creating comfortable spaces to live in. It's also a form of self-expression, a playground for new ideas, and a way to experiment with space, materials, and design. These conceptual projects challenge conventional thinking and give us a glimpse into what the future of housing could look like. Every home in this video is designed with a unique combination of shape, color, and structure. Some have a futuristic feel, others are inspired by nature or minimalism, but they all share one thing in common: they stand out from the ordinary. Of course, not all of these designs are meant for everyday practicality, but that doesn't take away their value. After all, architecture isn't just about function, it's about emotion, creativity, and the power to inspire and amaze. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these one-of-a-kind designs. We hope they bring you visual delight and maybe even spark some inspiration for your own dream space. Enjoy the video.